Hilliard. I'm back. I have something for you. It's Prilosec omeprazole.
All right.
It's 20 milligrams. We're going to start with 20 milligram capsules. Take one a day, 1 hour before your meals. You can't crush it and chew it or smash it anywhere. You have to take the whole pill. It's just once a day as needed, 1 hour before your meals, okay? And you can purchase it at your local pharmacy, CVS, Walmart, any of those. They will all have it, okay?
Not for use in persons with kidney or liver disease or taking warfarin, as Prilosec may decrease the effect of warfarin. Do not take Prilosec and taking Dilantin or a benzodiazepine, as Prilosec may increase the level of these medications. Digoxin, diuretics, iron supplements, and prescription antifungals should not be taken while taking Prilosec. Aspirin may increase the risk of bleeding while taking Prilosec. If taking St. John's wort or ginkgo biloba, consult with your physician before taking Prilosec. Stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache, fever, flatulence, and constipation are common side effects and should be reported to your healthcare provider. Rash, hives, itching, swelling, difficulty breathing or swallowing, dizziness, muscle spasms, seizures, fast heartbeat, or fatigue should be reported immediately to your healthcare provider, as these are signs of serious side effects. Prolonged use of Prilosec may increase the risk of wrist, hip, and spine fractures.
Ever since my doctor prescribed Prilosec OTC, my heartburn has completely been under control. I would recommend it.